So hi guys, thank you so much for watching my all the readings. I just really appreciate that. This is one of my sixth or fifth reading which I'm just posting here onto this channel. Whatever the subscribers I've gained, I'm so happy and so grateful for all of them, and I wish them a very good luck in their life. I wish everything goes smoothly in your life before doing any kind of predictions. Well, I'm not that much of like superstitious. uh, like I believe in something which is something connects with your own good karma. Okay, so that's how I do believe it. Maybe the bad consequences, like whatever, if I say predictions are also not going to work if you're going to do any kind of bad things, or if you're going to manifest bad things. Okay, so karma is more important for me rather than believing in like predictions only. But this is a rest topic which we are just touching over here. This is not that channel. I am a predictor. That's how I'm just getting our today's channel reading. Okay, so I'm channeling the energy of somebody who is extremely jealous of you. Okay, there is a woman, there is a, maybe the masculine feminine doesn't matter. Masculines are also having the feminine energy, so keep what it resonate. Okay, I'm getting the person, there is a person who is very jealous of you right now, and they're just keeping all of their evil eye onto you. They're just projecting evil eye, and I'm just channeling, like sensing a lot of like spells over here. Maybe spells onto your charm, your aura, your beauty, something related with that. But I'm getting a lot of like energy of very much a jealous person. Okay, um, uh, I can clearly sense it over here. Maybe this person is related with your personal circle wherever you live. Maybe your relatives could be there. Maybe somebody who is very much close to you. Okay, so I'm sensing that. Let's check. Uh, so number 6 could be very significant for all of you. Maybe you are with the life path number 6. Maybe you carry the sixth number in your numerology chart. Okay, I'm also seeing here there is a kind of like they just wanted to win over you, means they just wanted to rule over you. I'm sensing that kind of energy. Okay, they just want to feel grateful for hurting you, because I'm seeing here maybe a kind of like power they just wanted to have over the protection of yours, the divinely protection which you are carrying in within yourself. I'm seeing here your energy is very beautiful. It's coming in nine of pentacles energy, where you are just completely focusing on yourself, on your self growth, on your abundance, on your self care. But they just wanted to have a personal win over you, or either they are just extremely like uh, I'm also seeing here a kind of somebody who is very much like lacking confidence within themselves, so they're just jealous of your confidence maybe. And here I'm seeing that there are the possibilities that this person is working in a group. They are working within a group where they just can't help themselves to just degrade people in front of their eyes, and even in they feel so bad when somebody uh, outshines them, when somebody comes best, more better and best. Okay, so here I'm seeing a movement. Okay, they just wanted to snatch away your all opportunities. Maybe somebody who is there, who is here, is very much like trying to gather a lot of opportunities, maybe in terms of your job, in terms of your personal health. Okay, and maybe something related with your investment purposes also. But I'm seeing here somebody is just trying to like snatch all of that. And here also I'm getting, see, here also I'm getting energy of someone who is very much like they're just having like no choice but to just focus on to your gifts, so that they can help themselves by that. Okay, so I'm also seeing here that they just wanted to take yours, and then just wanted to show show in this world that they are superior than you. They are having this, they are having that. Okay, see, betrayal energy. Three of swords came out. This is a complete betrayal energy which I'm getting here from this person, and they are extremely, like, they just wanted to um, just gather all of those things which you are um, doing, which you are, like, I'm just sensing here a lot of personal grudges. Okay, let's see about more about this current situation. Let's see here more about this current situation. Okay, so I'm seeing here you are in the star energy, and they wanted to see you in this lack of trust energy. But through something, like, I'm also sensing there is someone who just wants to snatch your love life as well. Somebody who's just trying to be extremely over smart. Um, they just want to feel very, very happy about themselves, so they just want to have full control over your situations. Okay, let's see more. See, I'm sensing here there are somebody's spirit guides, there are somebody's ancestors who is telling me this message, uh, while I just convey through this mode of this, like, communication. Okay, through my videos, through my channel, whoever will get this message, they're just saying me completely to just cut off. Cut off from these people, cut off from them. Just need to build a, um, like, there are lot of, they are creating delays in your life. Okay, with this ace of wands in reverse, I'm seeing here they are creating a lot of delays in your life. Okay, and they are just not even sensing it as someone, like, you are completely protected, and they wanted to completely harm you again and again. Okay, see how people are perceiving you as one. Okay, so I think there are a lot of people who are just seeing these people, this feminine energy, who is playing very much small. Okay, and who is not under their control, and they just wanted to snatch all of the things which others are having. So maybe this person could have done a lot of these things with others as well. They just wanted to snatch away all of your happiness, all of your peace, all of your everything. Okay, see, there is the message of your ancestor, your spirit guide. I'm just getting the channeling of your spirit guides, your ancestors, your angels, in whichever you believe, and the God and the Lord in which you believe. Okay, so I'm seeing here they are just answering you through wind. Okay, they are just answering you through wind that this person is not good at all. So just cut them off. Cut them off. This is not good at all. Okay, this is not going to be a worthy energy of yours. You cannot waste your time over here. You cannot waste your time over here, dear child. You cannot waste your time over here. Okay, this hangman energy, they just wanted to convey the message that you just need to stay away from such type of people who are just trying to make you fool, while they wanted to pretend themselves to be extremely smart in the whole world, while snatching your gifts, while snatching and stealing your gifts. They just wanted to pretend like they are the exact copy of yours. While they are just a copy, they don't understand this. They are like demonic childs. Okay, I'm hearing like demonic child. Okay, children of demon. See, they are going to be defeated very soon. If this message is going to come across your feed, then please to open it, and if you open it, then you are going to receive this message. They are going to get defeated very soon. See, the world card come up here. It's a closure. It's a complete closure, and it's a closure in your justice. So no one can take and snatch your things. Okay, so you are going to be receiving this message through this channel, through me, and whoever this person is. Please write down in the comment section from where did you find this person. Hats off to you that you have managed to have such energies in your life without having any problem. Okay, so just understand what your spirit guides, what your ancestors are saying you, what your god is saying you. Okay, listen to them. And till then, if you like this reading, then just hit the subscribe button, hit the like as well. And also, if somebody is in need of this video, then please do share it with them. It may help it. Okay, so I will come again in my another reading. I will meet you there. Until then, take care, do like, share, and please just comment down. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.